Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the YuanCon Sound Voltex controller that I have in black. It also comes in a white variant as well. Now when it comes to the unboxing experience, this was, a box covered in a lot of tape, and inside that box was the controller. Very simple. You take it out of the big styrofoam that it's in and it's very well protected, and you have the controller. Super straightforward unboxing, nothing too crazy, but it gets the job done. Aesthetics wise, the controller looks very nice and it feels nice as well. The build quality is metal, I believe, and it also has LEDs for the buttons themselves and an RGB underglow as well. Inside the box as well, you get a braided USB-C cable, an extra USB-C connector, 2 extra springs, and a screwdriver. Now when it comes to the actual playing experience, these have Omron 49 gram switches in them and they feel very nice. I'll be leaving a sound test here so you guys know what they sound like. Now, at this moment in time, I do believe that the YuanCon store is down for maintenance. I'll be leaving a link to the YuanCon Discord. If you guys have any questions, you can ask them in the description below. But I'll also be leaving in the description below the new FOSS 2 Sound Voltex controller and a review of it from Tokaku, a well-known rhythm game YouTuber that you guys should check out. Now, this one is available on Gamma2's website, and it is very new and very good. I would recommend getting Omron switches if you do plan on getting the FOSS 2. When it comes to this controller, it plays perfectly. I'm not the best player when it comes to this game. This controller isn't even for me. I got it for my brother for his college graduation gift, and he's way more into it than I am. I personally am into Taiko. So from his insight, he says it feels very nice. He did have a slight problem with the knobs. Apparently they might be a little bit too sensitive, but I think that's just personal preference. And when we first got it, the only minor problem we had is that the bottom right button, I think it's FXR, was not registering the notes properly. I don't know how we fixed it, but we basically just opened up the controller, pulled out the switch, and then put it back in, and it just worked. I can't really explain exactly why that worked, but it did. Sort of like turning it off and turning it back on again. So if it worked, it works. So that's the only minor problem we had with this controller when it came right outside the box. Other than that, the setup was very easy. It's a plug and play. You plug it into your computer and it'll register as a YuanCon controller. Now this controller plays very well and I personally have no complaints with it. I'm very happy with my purchase. The one thing I do want to point out though is that the controller is $179, but with the shipping it adds like $67 or $73. Now the pricing information is all available on the Discord as well, and you can see how much it'll cost for shipping when it comes to where you live in that Discord. And it'll also show the other rhythm game controllers that he makes as well and their pricing as well. I personally hope in the future I can review his Taiko controller, since I made one on the Nintendo Switch Taiko controller that ended up breaking on me. I'm very sad about that, but hopefully in the future I can review that. Other than that, that's basically it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this controller in the comments down below, and I'll be answering any questions you may have. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.